Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Inspire 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for the smartband on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smartband needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the settings on our iPhone. And here we can scroll down to the list of applications. Oh, my bad. To the list of applications, find the application called Fitbit, basically, and tap on it. Now, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also tap on notifications, and here make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. So once you enable the Bluetooth and notifications for the Fitbit application, go back to the settings, scroll all the way up to the top of the settings page, then find the option called Bluetooth, tap on it, and on this list you should see Inspire 2 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Make sure that the share system notifications is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. And now you can open the Fitbit application. In the application, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the account icon in the top left corner to open the account page. And here select your Inspire 2 from the list of devices. Now find the option called Notifications and tap on it. And here we can customize our notification settings. We can enable or disable the notifications for calls, text messages, calendar events, and also applications. If you want to enable or disable the notifications for calls, messages, and stuff like that, tap on the switches right here. And if you want to do it for apps, you need to tap on App Notifications. And here you will have the list of applications. And as you can see, we can enable or disable the notifications for the apps specifically, for each specific app by tapping on the switch. If you don't see your application you're looking for on this list will basically update itself once you receive the notifications on your iPhone from them. So sometimes you need to wait a little while for it to appear, basically right here on the list. So I'm gonna enable the notifications for Discord, and then I'm gonna show you that it works. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone. And let's see if we got it on our smartband. We did not. For some reason, let's try enabling this. Go back. And let's try again. Okay. Oh, this time we got it, so we need to wait a little while. As you can see now, we got our notification. If you miss it by any chance, you can always wake up the screen on your smartband, swipe up on, or rather down on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the notifications option, you can tap on it, and here we have our notifications. And you can tap on it to read it, you can tap on Clear All to clear the notifications, like that. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.